Your side hustle should travel with you, not trap you. If you're in the US or Canada, you can build something that earns in both places without complicated setup. Today, I'm laying out a practical, repeatable system that blends freelance work, simple digital products, and a money plan that makes investing feel automatic. This isn't a fancy scheme, just a clear path you can start today and keep refining. Step 1. Pick a core service you can deliver online. You want something you can do from a laptop with minimal gear and that people in both countries actually pay for. Good examples are freelance writing, editing, graphic design, virtual assistants, simple bookkeeping, tutoring, or consulting in a narrow area you know well. The key is to choose one skill you can train quickly and deliver reliably. Action you can take now. Write down 10 potential gigs you could start next week. Check demand on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or LinkedIn, and note the typical price ranges. Pick one to focus on for the next 30 days and outline a simple pricing plan with 3 tiers: basic, standard, and premium. Step 2. Build a digital product to scale your effort. A product lets you earn money even when you're not trading hours for dollars. Think of a budget template, an investing tracker, a tax checklist for side hustlers, a workflow cheat sheet, or a mini course that teaches one reliable skill. The product doesn't have to be perfect, just useful and easy to share. Action you can take now. Choose one product idea and create a rough version in a weekend. Turn it into a Google Sheet or a small PDF, price it between $7 and $29, and craft a simple landing page or a Buy Now link in your profile. Have a friend review it and give you quick feedback before you publish. Step 3. Create a simple client funnel so you're not chasing gigs. Your funnel should be easy to replicate and scalable across borders. Start with a clean portfolio or LinkedIn profile, plus a short, clear pitch that explains who you help and what results you deliver. Then set up a 2-step outreach plan. 1. Reach out to potential clients with a short message, and 2. Follow up in a week if there's no reply. Action you can take now. Write a 1-paragraph pitch that explains the problem you solve, your approach, and the result a client can expect. Create a 3 to 5-piece portfolio showcasing real work or sample projects. Draft a simple outreach script and practice it so you can deliver it with calm confidence. Step 4. Put in place a money system that makes growth predictable. A straightforward 3-bucket approach helps you stay sane as you earn in 2 currencies and 2 tax regimes. Imagine 3 jars or accounts: living, taxes, buffer, growth. Every time you get paid, split the money so you're covered today, protected for the future, and investing back to compound. Action you can take now. Start with a 50-25-25 split. For every payment you receive, put 50% toward living costs or personal spending, 25% into a tax and buffer fund, so you're never scrambling at tax time, and 25% into growth, which can be a savings or a low-cost investment account. Automate these transfers so you don't have to think about them. Step 5. Make the cross-border money part boring, reliable, and legal. When you work in the US and Canada, you'll deal with different tax rules, invoicing standards, and currency flows. The honest move is to separate your personal and business finances, choose a simple bookkeeping system, and track every dollar of income and expense. Use payment options that work in both countries, like Wise for cross-border transfers, PayPal or Stripe for invoicing, and a basic accounting app to keep receipts tidy. Action you can take now. Open a dedicated business bank account or a high-yield savings account for your taxes and buffer. Connect a simple invoicing tool to your main account. Start logging every payment, expense, and the date you got paid in a small spreadsheet or an app. Step 6. Learn to price and chase value, not hours. The best cross-border hustles aren't about how many hours you work. They're about the value you deliver and how you package it. Create service packages with clear outcomes, and let clients choose a level. A basic package might be a single deliverable, a standard package adds a review or two, and a premium package includes ongoing support. Action you can take now. Decide on 3 packages for your core service. Write a 1-page description for each package, including what's included, how long it takes, and the exact price in both currencies or a simple USD price you convert for Canadian clients. Practice offering these packages in your outreach so you sound confident and precise. Step 7. Build a simple, evergreen mini mindset habit for growth. Wealth isn't built on luck. It grows when you treat your business like a habit, not a hobby. Set a weekly money review. Look at last week's earnings. the numbers you saved or invested, and what you'll do differently next week. Pair that with a daily 10-minute block to work on client outreach or product development. Action you can take now: schedule a 30-minute weekly review and a 10-minute daily growth block on your calendar for the next month. Keep a small notebook or a digital note where you record one concrete action each day that moves your plan forward. Step 8. Reinvest early and smartly. The fastest way to scale a side hustle is to reinvest profits into what compounding actually means: more capabilities, more reach, more reliability. Reinvest in higher quality tools, a better website, better outreach, or a little LinkedIn advertising targeting your two countries. Don't wait until you're profitable. Use the first profits to buy time and momentum. Action you can take now: set a target to reinvest 25% of every completed project into upgrades for the next month. Track how the upgrades improve your conversion rate, your pricing power, or your time saved on repetitive tasks. Step 9. Protect yourself from common mistakes and burnout. Side hustles fail when people try to scale without a plan, take on too many clients, or stretch themselves too thin. Guard your energy by limiting the number of core clients you take on in a month and by setting clear boundaries. Build automation and templates to cut repetitive work. Expect slower growth at first and celebrate small wins. Action you can take now. Pick one repetitive task you can turn into a template or automation. For example, a client onboarding email, a proposal template, or a monthly report. Create it once and reuse it many times. Set a weekly cap on the number of new clients you'll pursue. Step 10. Plan for the long game and family of products. The most resilient side hustles combine services with digital products and a steady money system. Once your service is reliable, your digital product can generate passive income that supports your growth. The goal is a small portfolio of offerings that protects you if one client dries up or a platform shifts. Action you can take now. Outline a second product that complements your first service: a checklist, a short course, a workbook. Keep it simple and affordable, test it with a few loyal clients, and use their feedback to improve. Add the new product to your packages or market it through your existing channels. A few practical reminders to close the loop. The US and Canada share a common appetite for practical help that respects your time and money. People will pay for clarity, reliability, and results. Your job is to show up consistently, deliver value quickly, and make it easy for a client to say yes. Let's recap the core idea in simple terms. Choose a core online service you can deliver from anywhere. Build a small digital product to scale, create a straightforward client funnel, and manage money with a clean 3-bucket system. Add smart pricing, steady reviews, and a light but steady reinvestment habit. Then repeat with new products and refinements. As you adopt this system, you'll notice two things happening. First, your earnings become less volatile because you're not relying on a single stream of income. Second, your money management stops feeling like a chore and starts feeling like a habit that compounds. If you found value in this approach and you want more practical, tested strategies for money, investing, and wealth building, this could be the seed you've been waiting for. Take one small action today, not a giant leap. A single clarified step, like drafting your first package or setting up your 3 accounts, can start the momentum. Before you go, a quick reminder. Choose one core service, one digital product, and one outreach script you'll test this week. Keep it simple, keep it honest, and keep it going. If you enjoyed this and want to see more ideas like this, please like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss the next video. Share in the comments which country you'll target first and which side hustle you're planning to test. Tell me what works for you and what holds you back, and I'll tailor the next breakdown to your situation.